Race number 5. Gates open, they're up and racing. Flourish draws for your lead, running in second on the outside. Da Vinci moving up. Idas, Julian, Gold Cougat running by the rail is Rain Shower. Lucky Find comes next, then followed by Diamond Dane, and NZ is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 900. Flourish in command, Idas, Julian in second, racing now in third, Rain Shower, Gold Cougat moving up by the rail. Port Da Vinci drops back in fifth as they race towards the last 600. Flourish still leading the field. Rain Shower now getting closer in second. Idas, Julian remains in third. Gold Cougat is running by the railport as they race at the last 450. It's still Flourish leading the field. About to throw the challenge on the outside is the favorite. Rain Shower now moves up on the outside. It's Flourish. Rain Shower takes the lead from the outside. Flourish drops back in second. Idas, Julian, Gold Cougat moving up by the rail. With the last 75 meters of the race, it's going to be Rain Shower with Mark Alvarez second. Flourish. Then comes number 6, Idas, Julian, Gold Cougat, and Diamond Dane.
4